Builder Gel Nail Kit All-in-One. Contains White Clear Nude Nail Gel Builder, non-sticky, need curing, double-end 3D nail carving silicone pen, 3D silicone mold, random, glitter, sequins, dual forms for gel builder for nails, cuticle pusher. This Builder Gel Kit, hard gel kit, contains almost everything for both nail starters and nail artists to do nail extension, nail sculpture, 3D nail art design, and so on. Builder Gel for Nails. This hard nail gel, Builder Nail Gel, is no runny texture, no stick to your hand or nail art tools, which can be kneaded and pressed to any shapes or other decoration as you want with your finger or nail tools. No mess, no residue. Comparing to acrylic nail kit or polygel nail kit, the solid Builder Gel is no need for slip solution, monomer, nail forms for nail extension. Multiple usages. Solid Builder Gel for nails. The Builder Nail Gel feels like plasticine, which is simple to manipulate and knead to any shapes or other decoration. You can use the Nail Builder Gel to make nail extension, nail carving, 3D nail art decorations, nail glue gel for nail tips, nail strengthener gel, and so on. It's a money-saving Builder Gel for nails to meet your multiple demands to DIY your nails. Ideal gift. Since the solid Builder Gel is simple to manipulate and knead to any shapes or other decoration, it's very easy to apply and suitable for both nail starters and nail artists. The solid Builder Gel Nail Kit can be replaced acrylic nail kit or poly nail gel kit as a great gift for starters and nail artists. Healthy ingredients. Non-toxic and no harsh, cruelty-free, MMA-free, vegan, with a low odor. Take a skin test before use. Keep the solid Builder Nail Gel away from sunlight or other strong light, your UV, LED lamp. Note: the glitter, sequins may spill out a little cause the long way transit. Any questions, please consult with LOUINSTIC store. Top reviews from the United States. Great for extensions or fake nails. This was my first dive into using Builder Gel, but it was pretty user-friendly. I usually grow out my natural nails, but sometimes I have one or two that break and I have to then cut all my nails short to match and start the growing process all over. Instead, I wanted to try Builder Gel to give length to the broken nails while they grow back out.